Hello everyone. We are doing a series on Ramsar sites in India. We will cover all the Ramsar sites state-wise. But first, do you know what Ramsar Convention is? Ramsar Convention is a treaty on conservation and sustainable use of wetlands, which was signed in Ramsar, a city in Iran, in 1971. The 2nd February each year is celebrated as World Wetlands Day. India is a part of Ramsar Convention from 1st February 1982. This year, in January, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change announced the entry of 10 more wetlands in the list. In this video, we are going to cover all the Ramsar sites in Punjab. So let's begin. Punjab has 6 Ramsar wetland sites. 3 of them are added in 2020 itself. The 3 older sites are Ropar Wetlands, Kinjli Wetlands, Harike Wetlands. The new 3 additions are Keshopur Myani Community Reserve, Nangal Conservation Reserve and Beas Conservation Reserve. Now, we will be covering each of them one by one. First, we are going to cover the Ropar Wetlands. Ropar Wetlands, also called the Ropar Lake, is a freshwater riverine. It is built on the river Satluj to store and divert water. It has a diverse ecosystem with 9 mammals, 154 birds, 35 fishes, 9 arthropods, and many more species. The endangered turtle Chitra indica and the threatened snake Python molurus are also found here. A number of local and migratory birds come in this region. Now we will talk about Kinjli wetlands. The Kinjli wetland is a man-made wetland. It subsumes the Kinjli Lake. Located in the Kapurthala district of Punjab, it was constructed in 1870. It is constructed on the perennial Bain River. The river also has hydroecological importance as well as cultural importance as Guru Nanak Dev attained enlightenment here. The native biodiversity and the survival of Kinjli Lake is under threat. 16 invasive species of plant threaten both the flora and the fauna varieties. The agricultural takeover has also been a threat to the wetland. A number of weeds are taking over the native species and disturbing the ecological balance. This has put a negative impact not only on the tourism, as the visitors find the place polluted, but also on the migratory birds who escape the site during their migration. Now let's talk about Harike wetlands. Harike wetlands, also known as Harike Patan, is the largest wetland in the northern India. It is the border between Taran Taran Sahib district and the Firozpur district of Punjab. The wetland was formed by the construction of headworks across Satluj River in 1953. The location on the confluence of Beas and Satluj River just south of Harike village. Lakhs of migratory birds from Serbia, Russia, Kazakhstan and other low temperature regions start arriving at the bird sanctuary from mid-October. Birds like peregrine falcon, great spotted eagle, common slay duck are some of the examples. There has been a drop of about 26% in the migratory birds in the region, largely due to late onset of winter. Now we will cover the wetlands that were added in 2019. The first is Keshopur Myani Community Reserve. Keshopur Myani Community Reserve is located in the Gurdaspur district of Punjab. It is the only natural wetland in Punjab. It is India's first ever notified community reserve under Wildlife Protection Act 1972. It is jointly owned and managed by the 5 village panchayats. It consists of a mosaic of natural marshes, aquaculture ponds, and agricultural wetlands where crops such as lotus and chestnuts are cultivated. These wetlands are sustained by the rainfall. It is a migratory bird corridor where more than 20,000 migratory birds visit the reserve last year. The second edition is Nangal Conservation Reserve. Nangal Conservation Reserve is located in the foothills of Shivalik. It is a highly eco-sensitive zone due to the presence of Nangal Wildlife Sanctuary. The sanctuary is home to Indian pangolin, European vulture, and the vulnerable leopard. It occupies a human-made reservoir constructed as a part of Bhakra Nangal project in 1961. The site is of historic importance as India and Chinese prime ministers formalized the 5 principles of peaceful coexistence here in 1954. The wildlife sanctuary is also important as it signifies the hydrological values. It helps in regulating water cycles, stabilizing the microclimate, helps in recharging the groundwater, and maintaining the quality and quantity of water. It plays a major role in tapping the sediments and also preventing and reducing the heavy flow of water and save public and property from devastating floods. It also regulates the nature cycle with help of optimum functioning of hydrological, ecological, and the biological processes of nature. Finally, we will talk about the Beas Conservation Reserve. The Beas Conservation Reserve is a 185-kilometer stretch of Beas River, starting from the Talwara to Harike headworks, is located in the 7 districts: Hoshiarpur, Gurdaspur, Amritsar, Jalandhar, Kapurthala, Tarantaran, and Firozpur. More than 500 species of birds are documented along this stretch. In 2017, Beas became the first river in the country to be declared as conservation reserve. In 2019, the State Wildlife Board declared the river to be a heritage river. The river hosts the only known population in India of endangered Indus River dolphin, one of the most endangered mammalian species in the world. Further threatened species include the endangered mashri and the hawk dog, as well as the vulnerable smooth-coated otter. In 2017, a program was initiated to reintroduce the critically endangered gharial, with 47 individuals released into the river. The major threats include the urban domestic population and the pollution that they cause to the river. Here is the trick to remember all the wetlands of Punjab: Kinjli, Beas, Hokar, Ropadi, क्योंकि गल नहीं कर रहे थे केशव हरी। Here, Kinjli is Kinjli Wetland, Beas is Beas Community Reserve, Ropar is Ropar Wetland, Gal Nahi is Nangal Conservation Reserve, Keshav is Keshav Pormiani Community Reserve, Hari is Harike Wetland. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.